guys, my name is Morgan, and in this video I thought that I would show you my workout routine for the whole entire week. So I go to the gym 2 times a week, and then I work out at home twice a week, and then I also do soccer. Pretty much my routine for this week is, so today is Monday, and today I'm going to be doing arms and core, and then tomorrow is Tuesday, and that's when I go to the gym, and then on Wednesday I take a break, and then on Thursday I do leg workouts, and then on Friday I go to the gym again. So that is pretty much all I'm gonna do this week, and I will start off by showing you what I do to work out on Mondays and do strength stuff. Alright, welcome to my crappy voiceover on my crappy headphones. So pretty much I use a 10-pound weight and I do arm exercises with it. So first I start with the curl up. I think that's what it's called. I have no idea. And then I alternate that. So usually I do like 10 on each side. And then I start doing the pull-up thing, which is what I call it. I don't know if that's what you call it, but that is what I call it. So pretty much for all of these exercises, I just do 10 and I alternate left and right. And then I do this little pull-up thing. I don't know, you can see on screen what it is. I'm not good at describing it. And then I start by smiling at the camera, and then I do this like lift up. I can't describe anything, so I'm so sorry about that, but yeah, then I do this like slingy thingy. Yeah, this is just comical how bad I am at this. And then I start doing core, and I do push-ups, these little thingies. I don't know, core is my least favorite thing to do, so I really try to do the least of it as possible, but I still gotta work out, you know, so I do all these things. Hello, office.
Angela loves pussycats. Hacker. No. I was going to say dog.
And then I thought I'd play with the ball, but I'm too uncoordinated, so I just decided to do more core things that absolutely kill my muscles, and I look absolutely stupid doing, but it doesn't matter, okay? See you tomorrow. Hey guys, it's like 8:15 in the morning and I'm about to head to the gym. Usually I do arms, but I'll still do some legs. So yeah, see you there. Alright, so now it is time for the gym. I usually start off by doing a treadmill and 20 minutes of cardio. So my gym is full of either 70-year-old men who like to stare at you, or 40-year-old women who look at you the whole entire time and judge you. So I'm pretty self-conscious vlogging in public already, and then when you add that in, it's just an alternate reality, so it's not very good. So yeah, this is me running on the treadmill. Sorry about this, I'm self-conscious, okay? So then obviously I wipe it off because I'm a good gym participant. And then I start doing the step climber thing, which honestly, cardio's the easiest thing for me because obviously I'm a soccer player, like I do that every day. So it's not bad, but then when I get to weights, I do the exact same thing I pretty much did yesterday, 10-pound weights. I was very self-conscious this time because I had a 40-year-old, 50-year-old maybe, mom staring at me the entire time I was doing this, and I just don't feel comfortable doing that. So yeah, that is not fun. That is how I got here. So I'm just rambling on, but and then I start doing actual workout equipment, so I adjust it. I'm not very strong in the arms, so this is me doing things on the workout machine. So the gym I go to has very limited workout gear, limited. So yeah, then I do a few more reps at a higher weight just to kind of give my arm muscles some strength because I have no arm muscles. Then I start doing other machines. This one's like a razor. This one's a lower, you know, just kind of doing its own thing. I kind of suck at arms, not gonna lie. And then I do this thing, which also like pushes out. I don't know. So then I decided to go bike. And then I just stretch, you know, roll it out. Just do what you gotta do. So that is pretty much what I do at the gym the first time at the week. Yeah. Today it is now Thursday, leg day. Use the 10-pound weight, do some lunges. I don't do much for my legs as it is at home. I don't know, my legs don't really need strength, so I just kind of work them out. I do these squats things, and then I decided to do just straight out squats, which I look so stupid doing, but it works, don't worry. open the gate, close the gate. If you're a soccer player, you know what I'm talking about, you know. Then I do some jump roping. Honestly, kind of fun, not gonna lie. So that is pretty much what I do. That is pretty much all I do for my workout here. And then tomorrow when I go to the gym, I do a lot more with exercise equipment and workout stuff. What is up, guys? So today we are going to the gym. Not in this though. This is actually the night before. Haha. Don't tell anyone. But I am driving right now. So I turned 15 like a month ago. I'm driving now. This has been awkward. All right. Ooh, copyright. All right, so now I'm gonna go play soccer. Right now I have tryouts next week, so I need to get prepared. So I'm gonna go shoot in the net. Not gonna lie to you, my soccer season has been kind of rough. I lost my entire kicks, so that wasn't good, but I'm working on it. I think I did well at tryouts. This is the day of tryouts actually that I'm doing this voiceover, so I think I did pretty well. So now it is Friday, back at the gym. I do the same cardio. I start on the treadmill. Today is leg day, you know, grind day. Yeah, okay, stop, no, okay. Yeah, so I do the stepper, I do the, you know what I'm talking about. I do all the different things. I do this weird thing. I don't know what it's, yeah, okay. And then I do my same workout things alone because my gym has like no actual like leg muscle equipment. There's like 2. Yeah. I do pretty much this weird push out thing. Do you see what I'm doing? This push out? Yeah. And then I also have something that I didn't record because my footage was just so bad, but it is this like little leg booster. You'll see it on the screen right now. I do that as well. Pretty much my gym has 4 different workout equipments and I only know how to use 2 of them, so I use 2 of them. Please help me. Now I'm done. Great, thanks for watching this video. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and follow my Instagram, and see you